Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur the background of a video using a feature in Filmora. So there is an AI feature that we are going to use to make the background to be blurry and leave focus only the main subject of the video. So this is one example that I just created using Filmora, and you can do something like this in less than 2 minutes. And for this demonstration, I'll try to use this video, which looks a bit more complex because the subject is moving and also the camera is moving dynamically compared to the previous version. So let me try using this video. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is that you have to put the video into your project, and after that, put the video into the timeline. So this is a video. Let me select the aspect ratio to be the same as the original video. And here, the next thing that you can do is that you can go to the effects menu right here, and then search for square blur. That's the effect that we want to use. And then you can just drag and drop the effect into the video. Now, if you go to the effects menu right here on the right side of the screen, you can increase the strength of the blur. So you can make it very strong, you can make it very soft, it's really up to you. And for the opacity, it has to be maximum, but for the size, you can adjust to whatever number that you want. So I guess I'm going to try maybe around 7 or 6. I think 6 is good enough. Now, the next thing that you can do is that you can go back to the media menu right here, and then you can click this video and then drag it on top of the video that you just blurred. So when you actually play the video, the blur effect is basically gone. Now, the next thing that we can do is that we can isolate the subject from the background. So the background will be blurred, but this person, this woman, will just the main focus of the video. All right, now let's click on the video clip. And then let's go to AI tools right here. And by the way, I forgot to mention that this feature is only available on Filmora 13 or above, I believe, maybe 13 or 14, I'm not so sure, but it is only available on the latest version. Anyway, after you have visited the AI tools menu right here, you can click or enable AI portrait cutout. And I do recommend using the advanced mode because it is the best model at the moment. And by the way, this AI is actually running on your computer, so you don't have to download any model. As long as you have installed Filmora properly, this feature is enabled, and it is using the power of your computer to isolate the background from the subject. So this is offline, you can even use it without accessing the internet. And the speed of the process really depends on the video complexity, the video duration, and also the power of your computer. If you have a strong computer, it's going to be very fast, but in this case my computer is a bit slow, and that's why you can see that the progress is not fast enough. But regardless, it is able to just do the job. All right, now we got this result. So if you actually look closely, if I disable the view on the blurry background, you'll see that I just isolate or remove the background of this clip, and therefore leaving only the person on the video. It is not perfect yet because sometimes you can see some inconsistency or some artifacts during the video, especially at the edge of the subject. But other than that, I think this looks really good, especially if the video doesn't move too much and the video is kind of from a still camera. Usually the result is going to be much cleaner. And I can enable the blurry background again, and we got this result, a new video with a blurry background. Now, just to give you a quick comparison, I'm going to insert the original video back, and I'm going to swap the position so we can compare before and after. Okay, this is the original video. There is blurry effect, but not very strong. My version has a much stronger blurry effect. So it's going to move on to the next section. And there you go. It's very, very blurry. If you're not happy with the level of the blurry background, you can always change the setting later. Just click on the clip, and then you can adjust the setting on the effects menu and change the number. So yeah, I think that's basically it. That's how you can make the background of a video to be blurry using a feature in Filmora AI video editor. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.